Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing very well. We're going to talk about how to look expensive on a budget. Yes, expensive on a budget. I get this a lot, like from people I know and people I don't know. Sometimes when I go out, they'll say, oh, you look classy. Oh, I like your clothes. I like the way you're looking. Yes. And I think it's about time I teach some of my friends online how I do that, because I do them on a budget. Yes. Because I don't want to forget it, I wrote it, so I'll be looking down sometimes to check some of the things that, like, maybe I might forget, because I'm that type. Trust me, when you tell me something right now, the next minute I've forgotten. Yes. So I am going to look down a bit, some of the things, so I don't miss. Yes, if that's this. Number one is groom. Yes, you need to groom yourself. I'm not saying you should go and break the bank and then go to the salon and go for them to massage you and do manicure and all sort of things. Okay, if you have money and you want to do that, that is so cool. I admire you a lot, but I do mine on a budget. So first of all, you need to fix your nails. Your nails are very important. Sometimes when people meet you and they shake your hands or you say hi, you will notice that the moment you put your palm in their palm, they look at your nails. The best thing you can do if you can't afford a manicure is to buy a nail polish, your favorite color, and then spend time polishing it. Even if you can't do it, just go on YouTube and type, how do I polish my nails? YouTube, there are a lot of beautiful women like me over there who have taken time to do a tutorial about it. So you just have to go and check on some of their videos and then learn how to polish your nails yourself. That's if you don't have money to go to the salon or you just don't want to spend money. Grooming number two is your hair. So your hair can make or break your outfit. Yes, you can have the most expensive outfit on, and if your hair is messy, trust me, you look messy and all over it. You have to do makeup, and so you have to get your shades. You can't just go and there are a lot of makeup artists. When you go and you are going to buy makeup for yourself, especially in Ghana, they will tell you your face has to be lighter than your skin, because your face is the part people are looking at. That is a myth. Don't listen to them. When you go and you're going to buy a makeup, and your face is as dark as a black cloth, buy that particular color, because if you buy your particular shades, no matter how dark or how white you are, if you buy your shades, you can always look beautiful and classy in them. Okay, if you buy a color that's more lighter than your shades or more darker than your shades, you will look very tacky. So please, if you're going to buy a makeup, buy your shades and buy the little basics things. Don't go and buy all kinds of makeup because you watch a video and they use this, and a lot of the people on YouTube are makeup artists. Before I could do make a proper makeup, I went for a makeup class for a month and 2 weeks to be able to do makeup for myself. Some of you are lucky, you can just sit down and then you can mix match and do something nice for yourself. That's good. But get your makeup in your shades and start with the basics. Yes, for you to look classy, you need to get your own shade, so that when people see you, they see your face to be smooth in your own shade. Yes. And then number 3 is fundamentals in your wardrobe. What do you have in your wardrobe? What do you buy? Do you just buy things because it's trending, or you just want to buy? No. As a lady, you don't have to buy things just like that. Don't just buy anything. As a lady, you need to have a little bit of chiffon, a little bit of silk, soft material. As a lady, you need to come across as a soft and decent and classy woman. So what I am going to say right now, I know people are going to be upset, but I just have to say, a lot of you just buy any fabrics. You don't care whether the fabric looks nice on you or whether the color is okay. You just buy. No. If you want to look decent in the eyes of people and classy and simple, you have to buy decent clothes and decent fabric and decent colors. All colors are beautiful, but certain colors don't go with me, so I don't wear them. Yes, I don't wear certain colors that I know does not fit me. I mostly invest in white. Mostly I invest in the neutral colors. Yes, simple whites, nude, a little. Even if I'm going to wear a multicolor outfit like this, it has to be very, very mild. Visit thrift stores that are in a very expensive areas. Yes, you might get more nice, classy, decent chiffon, silk, and then you come and take very good care of it and also rewear it like a pre-loved items. Yes, buying a pre-loved items is not a sin. Some of the things that is even pre-loved, it has not been worn before. Yes, so buy those things. Yes, instead of buying all kinds of things like this is trending, you have to go and buy it. That is trending. You have a very big wardrobe with rubbish in it. No, we don't want that for you. We want you to have a very cute and simple wardrobe on a budget. Expensive wardrobe on a budget. Don't wear tight clothing. If you want to dress lady, don't wear very tight clothing, like very, very tight. Then they see all your beautiful shape and all that. No, you can wear tight when you are going to maybe a party and all that. And even that tight, if the bottom is tight, the top has to be loose. And if the top is tight, the bottom has to be loose. You don't need to wear extremely tight clothes. Ladies don't dress like that. So attention to details. When I say attention to details, I mean the jewelries you wear. It's either you wear a jewelry or you don't wear at all. I'm not wearing a jewelry because my hair is very long and I don't feel like wearing a jewelry today. But I'm wearing a chain. Yes, I'm wearing a very simple gold necklace. Yes, pay attention to details. You can decide to, for me, I don't like silver, so I don't wear silver. I think silver is cheap. Don't get me wrong, a lot of you like silver and it's beautiful, but to me, I think it's cheap. It doesn't complement most of the clothes I have. So I don't wear silver. I wear only gold and rose gold. Those are the types I want. Okay, make sure as a lady, if you dress, wear some nice earrings. Don't be like me today, I'm not wearing earring. But when you dress and you're going out, wear a very nice earring, very nice watch, very nice necklace, and something to complement the clothes. Just in proper hangers. A lot of you have a nice wardrobe, but you throw your things anywhere, or you have one particular bag, you put it inside. So anytime you are going out, you now have to look for this skirt here and this top here. No, invest in hangers. Like when you are buying a hanger, don't buy a multicolored hanger. Buy, if it's white, like 30 pieces of white hangers. If it's black, 30 pieces of black hangers or suede hangers. Yes, buy it. Take your time. Arrange your clothing by color. When I say by color, all white, all blue, all pink. So when you do, be simple for you, and you will see the ones that you've not worn for a long time that you don't need. And you can give that to charity. one more thing that I forgot to add again is a steamer. Invest in a proper steam. Yes, some of the clothes, when you iron it, the creases doesn't go away, but if you have a small steam, you can use it to steam the clothes for the beauty of the clothes to come out. So yes, invest in a steamer. Yes, a steamer. Invest in that. Yes, so that is going to be all for now. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you being a part of this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not, and if you are, thank you for being there for me, and I really appreciate it. Check me out on TikTok as well. I do short videos about skincare and beauty. Thank you so much. Bye.